Hey everyone, welcome to this Thursday weekly update. Today is the 22nd, which is Thanksgiving. So we would like to give you a happy Thanksgiving here from Fort Worth Fabric Studio. And this week I didn't get the camera out too much. I was kind of busy, so there's not too much. I'm gonna come back in the middle here and give you some new updates to expect. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we have some things we'd like you to check out this week. We have our Bolt Bash, which everything in that group is $4.95, and we continue to add it as we go. Those sales will be done Tuesday the 27th, so be sure to check that out on our website before it goes away. We have our Black Friday deals going on. You can check that out on the website. We sent out a couple newsletters on that showing what all you can see from that. Also, if you're not signed up for our newsletter, be sure to check that out. We get to send you other updates and like deals on goods and stuff you can expect. So link for that will be in the description. Coming up here soon, we have an easy to make table topper, and we will be doing a video on that, so you can expect that. That's all the quick updates I have. So let's go back to the video. So that's it for this Thursday. Thank you all for watching. And once again, we'd like to give you a very happy Thanksgiving here from Fort Worth Fabric Studio. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below. Same with the small little updates we gave you on the Bolt Bash, the Black Friday deals, and our newsletter. Be sure to check that out. As per usual, like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you can be notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.